Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic kitchen appliance that has caught our attention, the Zojirushi BB-PDC20BA Virtuoso Plus 2 pounds bread maker. We found this product online and have included a link in the description so you can check for the latest price and availability. Now, let's get into what makes the Zojirushi BB-PDC20BA a standout option for anyone interested in baking their own bread at home. This bread maker is designed to produce a 2-pound loaf, making it perfect for families or anyone who loves to have fresh bread on hand. With its sleek black design, it not only functions well but also looks great on your countertop. One of the most notable features of the Zojirushi BreadMaker is its dual kneading blades. Unlike many other bread machines, this model has 2 kneading paddles that work together to thoroughly knead the dough. This results in a more consistent texture and better overall rise in your bread. Additionally, it's equipped with dual heaters, one on the bottom and another on the lid, which promote even baking and browning. This ensures that your bread comes out perfectly golden on all sides. The Zojirushi BB-PDC20BA also offers a variety of healthy course settings. Whether you're looking to make multigrain, whole wheat, gluten-free, or even vegan bread, this machine has you covered. It even features rapid programs, allowing you to bake a loaf of white or whole wheat bread in just 2 hours and 25 minutes. This is especially beneficial for those who want to enjoy fresh bread without having to wait all day for it to rise and bake. For those who might be new to bread making, the large, easy-to-read LCD display simplifies the entire process. The convenient key code located on the lid makes it easy to select your desired course with just a few button presses. This means that even if you're a beginner, you won't feel overwhelmed by the settings. The Zojirushi BreadMaker is suitable for a wide array of users. If you're health conscious and prefer to control the ingredients in your bread, this machine is an excellent choice. It's perfect for families with dietary restrictions, offering options like gluten-free and sugar-free settings. It's also ideal for busy individuals who appreciate the convenience of a rapid setting to have a warm loaf ready in under 2.5 hours. Practical use cases for this bread maker are endless. Imagine waking up to the smell of freshly baked bread wafting through your home on a Sunday morning. You can prepare the ingredients the night before and set the timer to have your bread ready by breakfast. This is also great for meal prep. You can bake several loaves at once and freeze them for later use. Additionally, if you're hosting a dinner party, nothing beats serving homemade bread with your meal, and with the Zojirushi, you can impress your guests without spending hours in the kitchen. In conclusion, the Zojirushi BB-PDC20BA Virtuoso Plus bread maker is a versatile, user-friendly appliance that can elevate your home baking game. With its dual kneading blades, variety of healthy settings, and rapid baking options, it's suitable for beginners and experienced bakers alike. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to